Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss March 2022 current affairs which is extremely important for your CMAT 2022 exam. Also if you want PDF then you can join our telegram group, I will put the link in description. So the first question is Lamitiate 2022 is the joint military exercise between India and which country? So the answer is Seychelles. International Day of Forests is celebrated on, so this is celebrated on 21st March. The theme of International Day of Forests 2022, so the answer is Forest and Sustainable Production and Consumption. Solar proton events were recently discovered by which solar mission of India? So the answer is Chandrayaan 2. Newly appointed Chief Minister of Goa. So the answer is Pramod Sawant. SAF under 19, SAF under 18 women's. Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss March 2022 current affairs which is extremely important for your CMAT 2022 exam. Also if you want PDF then you can join our telegram group, I will put the link in description. So the first question is Lamitiate 2022 is the joint military exercise between India and which country? So the answer is Seychelles. International Day of Forests is celebrated on, so this is celebrated on 21st March. The theme of International Day of Forests 2022, so the answer is Forests and Sustainable Production and Consumption. Solar proton events were recently discovered by which solar mission of India? So the answer is Chandrayaan 2. Newly appointed Chief Minister of Goa. So the answer is Pramod Sawant. SAF Under 18 Women's Championship Title 2022 winner. So the answer is India. Bahrain Grand Prix 2022 is won by, so this is won by Charles Leclerc. Chairman of Air India N. Chandrasekaran. Chairman and MD of Oil India Limited. So the answer is Ranjit Rath. First woman cricketer to play 6 World Cups. So the answer is Mithali Raj. Kevla Dev National Park is situated in, so this is situated in Rajasthan. A Sports Star Aces 2022 award, a Sports Star of the Year male. So this award is given to Neeraj Chopra. For female this is given to Mirabai Chand. IRDAI Chairman. The answer is Devashish Panda. Pro Kabaddi League Season 8 winner. So the answer is Dabang Delhi and they defeated Patna Pirates. Central Banking Awards Governor of the Year Award 2022. So this is awarded to Mario Marcel. Narsinga Petai Nagswaram is a musical instrument which recently got GI tag, belongs to which state? So this belongs to Tamil Nadu. This can also come in IE, Innovation and Entrepreneurship. Newly appointed MD and CEO of TCS. So the answer is Rajesh Gopinathan. Vida is an electric vehicle brand announced recently by which automobile company? So the answer is Hero MotoCorp. RBIH Reserve Bank Innovation Hub is inaugurated in which city? So it is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Best state in Export Preparedness Index 2021 by Niti Aayog. So the answer is Gujarat. Hungary's first female president. So the answer is Kathleen Novak. UPI payment facility launched by RBI. So the answer is UPI 123 Pay. A 24/7 helpline for digital payments launched by RBI. So the answer is Digi Sathi. Which are included from Meghalaya in tentative list of World Heritage Sites. So the answer is Living Root Bridges of Meghalaya. As per UNEP, the most noise polluted city in the world. So the answer is Dhaka. As per UNEP, the most noise polluted city in India. So for India, the answer is Muradabad, and this city is the second in the world. The objective of mission Indradhanush. So the answer is ensure full immunization for children up to 2 years of age and pregnant women. So the focus is on immunization. National Water Awards 2022 first prize. So this was awarded to Uttar Pradesh. Civil Aviation Ministry has set a target of how many new airports till 2025. So they have set a target of 220. South Korea new president. So the answer is Yoon Suk Yeol. India's first green hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicle. So the answer is Mirai by Toyota. SDG Sustainable Development Index 2021 India's rank. So India's rank is 120. SDG Sustainable Development Index first rank. So first rank is for Finland. First state in India to introduce carbon neutral farming methods. So the answer is Kerala. First paperless assembly in India. So this is Nagaland. Chief Minister of Manipur. So the answer is N. Biren Singh. As per CIPRI report, the largest importer of arms between 2017 to 2021. So the answer is India. Largest exporter. Answer is USA. The objective of National E-Vidhan application NEVA. So the objective is to make assemblies paperless. So here we saw the question, right? Nagaland became paperless assembly. So they used this application only, NEVA. National E-Vidhan application. PVR Inox Limited is formed after the merger of, so PVR and Inox merged together to form PVR Inox Limited. X Dustlik is joint military exercise between India and which country? So this is between India and Uzbekistan. Unfilled Barrels, India's Wild Story. This book is written by, so this is written by Richa Misra. India's rank in World Happiness Report 2022. So India's rank is 136. First rank is to Finland. The author of book Tomb of Sand. So the answer is Gitanjali Sri. RBI punished which payment bank and stopped accepting new customers for transferring data with Chinese companies? So the answer is Paytm Payments Bank. Fifth BIMSTEC summit was hosted by, so this was hosted by Sri Lanka. The richest man as per Hurun list. So the answer is Elon Musk. India's first eco park is to be established in, so this is in New Delhi. Miss World 2021. So the answer is Karolina Bielawska from Poland. BAFTA Awards 2022 Best Film. So this is The Power of the Dog. BAFTA Awards 2022 Best Director. So this is Jane Campion. Best Actor Will Smith for King Richard. Best Actress Joanna Scanlon for Afterlife. MSME Rupee credit card is launched by, so this is launched by Union Bank of India and NPCI. Now we will see for Academy Awards, which is also known as Oscar. So best film is Coda. Best Director Jane Campion for Power of the Dog. Best Actor Will Smith for King Richard. There was a controversy also for Will Smith because he slapped the host, right? Best Actress, so the answer is Jessica Chastain, The Eyes of Tammy Faye. Best Animated Film Encanto. Best International Feature Film Drive My Car, Japanese. This is a Japanese movie. Who is the director of this movie Drive My Car? This is Ryosuke Hamaguchi. Indian entry in the International Feature Film category for Oscars. This was Pujangal, Tamil. India has agreed to form a joint task force on hydropower project with which country? So the answer is Nepal. Earth Hour 2022 was celebrated on, so this was celebrated on 26th March. The Little Book of Joy book authors, so Desmond Tutu and Dalai Lama together wrote this book, The Little Book of Joy. A Stockholm Water Prize 2022 winner, so the answer is Professor Wilfried Brutsard. The theme of National Science Day 2022, this is Integrated Approach in Science and Technology for Sustainable Future. Mexican Open Title 2022 winner, so this is Rafael Nadal. Indian actress who has been named as one of the awardees for Time 100 Impact Award, so the answer is Deepika Padukone. Which prize is often considered as the highest honor in architecture? So the answer is Pritzker Prize. Pritzker Prize 2022 winner, so the answer is Francis Kerr, the first African to win this prize. So this is Francis Kerr. Among fresh food categories, India exported the largest amount of which items? So India exported fresh grapes. The creator of GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, which is the full form of GIF, who died recently. So Stephen Wilhite created this GIF. Green Deposits Program is announced by which bank? So DBS Bank India has announced this scheme, Green Deposits Program. The full form of SWIFT system. This is extremely important for your exam because in Russia-Ukraine war they decided to punish Russia by banning them in SWIFT system, right? So the full form is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. Please revise this again and again. Which country recently launched a rocket to place record 22 satellites in space? This is China. Mobile World Congress MWC 2022 is hosted by city Barcelona in Spain. Business Blasters Investment Summit and Expo is an initiative of which state or union territory? This is for New Delhi. Swiss Open Badminton title 2022 winner. So the answer is PV Sindhu. The largest impact crater on the earth. So the answer is Elan crater, China. Sambhav scheme is an initiative of which ministry? So this is an initiative of Ministry of MSME. The objective of Sambhav scheme. So the objective is to encourage students to take up entrepreneurship. Jan Aushadhi Divas 2022 is celebrated on. So this was celebrated on 7th March 2022. 2022 Saudi Arabian Grand Prix winner. This is Max Verstappen. The new motto of NCPCR, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. So this is Bhavishyo Rakshati Rakshit. Zero Discrimination Day is celebrated each year on. So this is celebrated on 1st March. The theme of Zero Discrimination Day for this year was remove laws that harm, create laws that empower. So ऐसे laws जो harm करते हैं उनको हटाओ और ऐसे laws ना जो empower करते हैं. First airline to use sun to liquid fuel. This is Swiss Airlines. BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Award 2021 winner. So this is Mirabai Chanu. Ukraine shares the border with how many EU states? They share with 4 EU states, European Union. The State of India's Environment Report 2022 is released by the Ministry. This is released by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. World Hearing Day 2022 is celebrated on. So this is celebrated on 3rd March. The theme of World Hearing Day 2022. So the theme was to hear for like, listen with care. So if you understand this in Hindi, so अगर आपको जिंदगी भर सुनना है तो आपको जो अभी सुनने की आदत है वो ध्यान से रखनी होगी. ठीक है. India's place in the global list in terms of market capitalization as of March 2022. So that is 5th. First place. So first place goes to USA. Yuvika, Yuva Vigyani Karikaram program is conducted by. So this is conducted by ISRO. The grants for RLBs, rural local bodies, are recommended by. So these are recommended by Finance Commission. Okay, so we discussed about 100 questions, and these are extremely important for CMET exam. I think one more video I will be releasing tomorrow. That would be most probably from April 2021 to October 2021. This would be approximately 150 to 200 questions in this format only. And other than that, I have released videos from November 21 to March 2022. So you can revise these videos. Tomorrow is the last day for it before your exam. So you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.